This video is for the unboxing of the ZyberVR Elite Strap from MetaQuest 3. If you want to see the MetaQuest 3 unboxing, however, it'll be in the description below and the pinned comment. So I go deep dive and these videos are huge, so thanks. Okay, the ZyberVR Elite Strap take 3. Said strip before. So this promises an ergonomic design, easy to install, multi-angle adjustable, and precision construction. Guess we'll see. So the actual Elite strap from Meta is quite expensive, £70, which is about what, $85 US, maybe a bit more. This one retails at £47 on Amazon right now, so a link will be available for you guys, and I'll let you know in the future if it's any good or not. Official Meta stuff is really expensive, and the device itself is already as expensive as it is, so hopefully this will be a way for us to save some money here. I'll let you guys know how this ends up turning out. So the idea of this is to make it more comforting to wear the MetaQuest itself. The MetaQuest 3 is more comfortable than the MetaQuest, or what was known as the Oculus Quest 2. It's still recommended that you buy another strap, either the official Elite one if you're rich, or have lots of disposable income, or go with an alternative like the Zyber one here, which is probably like a Chinese off-brand. Got good ratings, so we'll see how it performs. Looking at the box, matches the style of the Meta branding, pretty much predominantly white with the black text. Not much to say about the back as well. It's pretty much the same thing, just different angles without the actual device attached to it, as the email pops up there. Yeah, VR accessories going pro. That looks fine. Got cardboard box inside, so we take it out of the sleeve like so. Oh, that's the sound. Now we're presented with just the box here. This. We're gonna lift it up, just like that, and then we're presented with the contents. It looks a lot like, turn it around, this Zyber branding, the device inside. Simple, clean enough, no problems there whatsoever. So we take it off here, and we are presented with a couple of things. What's this? Let's go with the I don't even know what this is. I think it says on the box what's actually included, so I'm kind of not even sure here. Is this some kind of cloth? I don't know what this is. It's like a cloth. So I have purchased a facial interface as well, which is a silicone one. It's a cheap one, again off brand, because the official one is like £100 or something pound or something crazy. I can't remember. I have to check that again, but since we're not doing that in this video, so this is like a feels like a microfiber cloth, so it's definitely to wipe something, maybe your lens or something. That's pretty cool. I don't think this comes with a facial interface, does it? Otherwise I don't need the other one. Anyway, so that's microfiber cloth there. Wipe your lens and maybe something else. We have it's like a little instruction manual here, all their links, all their socials, instructions on how to do it. Let's zoom in a little bit here so you guys aren't squinting. So yeah, that's like Japanese at the bottom. It's Zyber Japanese. Pui Sukun. Yeah, it's Japanese. So maybe they're a Japanese company. Anyway, so I couldn't resist. So it shows you how to put it on here. But there is, yeah, that's Japanese again. Shika. So that's all good. Hopefully it will be simple to install. But that'll be beyond the scope of this video. I'll put links to the next parts of the setup for you to watch thereafter. So there's a whole bunch of installation steps there. All pretty clear. At least it seems on the surface, but who knows. We have that. And then, what is this? Oh, this is the back part, the head part. Okay, yeah, I was confused at first. So zoom back out. Zoomed in instead. So this is the back part. This is what's going to go on top of your head in the back. Like so. Along those lines. So that's cool. We need that. And the material here is soft like foam, which is nice. So you can kind of see that here. A memory foam material. And that we've got, what do they call this, Lycra? So you can stick it there. Very good. Opens up the other end as well, so you can pull it out, make some adjustments, I guess. So that's all fine. Joint connectors there, left, right, so you know which side's which is good. This material feels soft as well and good. Rubbery material. Feels clean. Doesn't smell or anything like that as well, which is nice. So this is all looking good so far. And then finally what we have, as you saw already, was the actual strap itself. So it says pay attention to left and right there, as you can see. Make sure to install the correct direction. So you can see there's the L there and a R there, so you can't make that mistake. And it's flexible, which is good. Doesn't feel like it's going to break easily. It's not the strongest feel ever, but it feels solid enough unless you have a massive wide head. So I think it'd be good. And what's interesting about this, obviously, is that you can, well, I say obviously, but what you can do is you can lift the front like so while it's on your head. So one of the things I used to do with the Oculus 2 is just put my head like this. And what would happen on the Quest 2, and basically it would just leave a line on your head and it would hurt like real bad after a while. So this prevents that. I zoomed out. I feel like I need more zoom out room. So that prevents that. You can just do it like that, which is great. And it should be comfortable. And this is the tightening mechanism on the back here. So you can see it's expanding out. And you can see we've got quite a bit of leeway there. Gee, you got really a lot of... Alright, maybe you'll be fine if you've got a massive head. Doesn't matter if you've got a battle-toed head or whatever. This is still going to fit you guys. This is a very flexible strap-on. So it's very pro. That's great. You can hear a good clicking sound as well as we close on it. And if you've got like a massive small head, then you're covered there as well. Okay, that's looking good. I wonder what the cloth is for. Is it just to wipe this for the bag? Because I could use this. You could use this for your lens as well. It's just a microfiber. So that's pretty nice extra. Sweet. That's the unboxing section for the Zyber USB multi-adjustable Elite strap-on. From a Japanese company, so we should be in good hands. Yeah.